So, good morning, all the aspirants for GSSSB. I am Dr. Dhara Sharma, and I welcome you all to this roadmap session on how to get selected for GSSSB. And from the bottom of our heart, the founders of Medution, thank you for trusting us for this most important journey through this process of, selection of GSSSB. Let me give you some introduction about Medution. So, Medution is a government recognized healthcare education brand, and we deliver high quality, skill based medical training for healthcare professionals. Medution is medical intuition, medical education, and medical tuition. Medution was established with a vision to be the world's first international institute that delivers short, sharp, and instantly applicable education, which is simple yet affordable, and it is transformative in nature. And to achieve this vision, we thrive on delivering concise, practical, and affordable education that is simple to learn and instantly applicable. Let me also introduce both the founders of Medution. So, one of our founder, Dr. Hed Desai sir, so he has 11 intellectual properties and which are already being practiced in more than 16 countries across the world. And one of his most cherished intellectual property, which is Hed's MMT, which is also considered as India's pride and which overcomes the limitation that Oxford MMT has. He is also first serial innovator, especially in the private health related brands. And he's number one Amazon best-selling author for urology and Amazon best-selling author for physiotherapy, obstetrics, and gynecology. And because of these amazing contributions that he has in the field of pelvic health, especially, he is fondly known as father of modern pelvic floor rehabilitation. Uh, Yes, and our another founder, that's me, Dr. Dhara Sharma. I have more than 19 years of academic as well as clinical experience, especially in the field of neurorehabilitation and physiotherapy education. And I firmly believe integrating neuroscience, motor learning, and evidence-based clinical reasoning. Also, a promoter of neuroplasticity-based rehabilitation and it is so important to have innovative teaching learning methods for all our learners rather than going for just the conventional education method. And that's what I keep promoting and I keep opting for, especially even for physiotherapy education. And I am a consistent advocate of exercise induced neuroplasticity and the role that we have of physical activity in healthy aging and brain health. And from both of us, I would want to say that Medution is also a sister concern of the brand Purposo and Wow IPRI. So, Wow IPRI, we train urologists, gynecologists, colorectal surgeons, physiotherapists, sexologists across 16 different countries already. And in the end, I would just want to say that there's a big, big thanks from both of us for giving us this opportunity to serve you and trusting us and making us the part of one of the most important journey of your physiotherapy career. And let's hope that we achieve your dream of seeing your name in the 138 selected candidates. Yeah, thank you very much.